Hi, I'm Brittany with WTI, and though I love nature, sometimes it's not always easy to sleep out there.
And this time to Yosemite, we took our camping cot blow-up mattress by KAMPKEEPER. It was very easy to put together. You put the mat inside, has a tag with the instructions so you don't lose it. The cot is an accordion style. It's got this fitted sheet attached to the cot, so you just open it up like a pocket and slide the mattress in. You then just air it up and you can close up the sheet over it so it's going to stay in place. It is a queen size, so if you don't want it to be a little snug, make sure you have a bigger tent. I loved it because it's high off the ground. It's got awesome support on the bottom. This was just so nice when you wake up in the morning, not to be so low down. You can just swing your legs over, get the stuff that you need to wash your face, to have that elevated position to stretch, to massage your arches, to get ready for a big hike. You can put your shoes on and get out that camping door. I also love that it had so much open space on the bottom, so you can store all of your bags and needed goods down there. And sometimes getting into bed while you're camping can be quite a chore, but this just made it so easy. And when it's time to go, you just deflate it, you take it out of the sheet pocket, fold it up, and it all fits so nicely in that carry case. So you can just zip it up and go.
It can make any camping trip so much more restful. But that's just my point of view.